We love you. Congratulations. And hello friends, I developed a whole kit, my own kit, lip kit that is, of the perfect red lips, just like my Shiro. JL, not Jello, Jennifer Lewis it is. Jellu. And so, Sally Beauty, lip liner. It's happening. You guys will see the secret of how to get perfect red. This is my kit. I made up my own kit. Yeah, I did, guys. Thank you. The next thing I do, I use this NYX pink. This established. Yeah, it takes a village, guys. You don't.
We can just do a little bit and then show. Do a little bit and show.
Lining it. I'm lining it. I'm lining it. This is like a blush. Very like reddish pink blush. This is what is the sealer of all the sealations. Then I use, this time you use a brush. Use a little brush that you can pretend is your lip brush. I'm using this brush from e.l.f. It's happening. So remember, pink, red, pink, to give you that absolute. And then, oh yeah, wait, let's get this. This is MAC lipstick. MAC lipstick. Crazy things are happening. So now, to complete my kit, I'm putting the powder, because you've done all those work with all those lipsticks, right? So this is a lip kit. Red lips, perfect, darling. Yeah, it ain't going nowhere. And now, tribute to my favorite leading lady. This is a tribute to J. Louis. If you're watching, today I wore all this. Yeah, so we're twinning.
I'm not gonna even tell you the chapters. It's hilarious. I love you too, honey. Check on that bipolar, baby. It's gonna be all right.
To me, do I know you? Oh, you mean my red lips? I was born this way. See, twinning.
It just